What do you value your hour at? 500 bucks? 100 bucks? Minimum wage. Let's just go with minimum wage for this example. The minimum wage in the UK is approximately 16 bucks. So if you spend an average of 5 hours every single day just wasting time watching a TV show on the weekends, watching a movie, scrolling short form content, browsing on the internet. Let's just say you waste 5 hours a day, which is below the average, by the way. You'd waste a full-time job, like 35 hours every single week. At the minimum wage, that is $2.4 thousand or just over $29,000 every single year, bro. You could literally buy a Tesla with that money every single year, over and over and over and over and over again, just because there's one addiction. If you could solve that, what would that be worth to you? And by the way, this is only taking into account the time aspect that screen time steals from your life. What about focus, energy, motivation, your health, clarity, intelligence, attention span, your ability to do deep work? You'll have you'll procrastinate less, sorry. You'll have less distractions in life. You'll have reduced anxiety and stress. You'll be in a better mood. You'll have less fear of missing out. You'll get better sleep. And the most important aspect, all of these things will butterfly effect into each other. So for example, when you reduce your screen time, you have more time. The most natural thing to do when you're bored is to then go for a walk. Now you go for a walk, you improve your health. And now you improve your health. Now your focus is better. You can focus more on your work. Now you focus more on your work, you make more money. Now you can, this other thing butterflies. So you see how it's like everything just butterfly effects into each other. So everything improves. And then when one thing improves, another thing improves, which makes another thing boom, boom, boom. I think you see what I mean. So what's all this worth to you? If you value your time at just minimum wage, which you fucking don't do, bro. I know you're an entrepreneur, you don't value it at minimum wage. That's 2.4K every single week just thrown out the window. Only taking into account the time. What about the focus? What about the energy? What about your health? What about all of these things? What about the clarity? What about the decision fatigue? What about the procrastination when you want to do the work and you just end up scrolling? What if you could make the most stimulating thing to you, instead of when you're in the mood to procrastinate when you're supposed to do your work, if you could make the most stimulating thing an audiobook, you could listen to an audiobook and go for a walk. You'd go for the walk, you'd feel refreshed, you'd come back, and then you'd be able to actually do the thing that you needed to do. Plus you improved your health, plus you got the information. Bro, I don't understand why everyone doesn't focus on this, because it's literally a fucking cheat code. It's a cheat code. So what's the best investment to get out of this? I might be glazing myself here, but bro, click on the first link in the description. It's my one-on-one coaching. I guarantee your results. If you don't get the result you want, you don't pay. It's that simple. So it's there's no risk there. It's literally all the risk is on me. It's just because I know this shit works. So it's click on the first link in the description. See if you qualify for the coaching. If you do qualify, I'll reach out to you. We'll start working together and you will get awesome results. And then you'll send me an awesome testimonial. And fuck, I lost my train of thought. That's another thing, bro. With these videos, bro, I don't edit shit. Because you only gain something from it if it's unedited. And that's what I found, because I only learn from people when it's unedited. When there's edits popping up on screen and there's this thing and there's B-roll of them laying in bed scrolling, and then there's background music and there's sound effects. There's the all those fire, and bro, you don't learn shit from that. So that's the best investment you can make. What are some other investments you could make that would also kind of help? So if you look at the audiobook strategy, that is one of the strategies that I use. It is also very fuck. It's you spend 25 bucks on that, so it's not that deep. It's you spend 25 bucks on it. You don't even have to listen to ads. I can't explain the whole method. You can just look on my channel. I've made hundreds of videos. You should be able to find the one with the audiobook strategy. You can spend money like that. Also, another thing in terms of money with screen time, bro. If you pay for subscriptions, you're an idiot. You're an idiot. If you pay for Netflix, bro, now you feel obligated to watch Netflix on the weekend. Stop paying for that shit. If you pay for YouTube Premium, bro, stop. If you pay for Spotify Premium where you have music, stop. Stop all of this bullshit. Stop paying for YouTube Music. Stop paying for this. Bro, you You want to get away from this addiction. Why are you paying for it as well? You're literally telling yourself, oh yeah, I'm a grade A dickhead. Let me keep paying for this so I feel obligated to consume, bro. Stop this bagwas, bro. Stop it. So, yeah. Scrolling is literally costing you more than 29,000 every single year just from time. Fix it. Realize that it probably is the thing that you're struggling with right now. Bro, you're watching a video about screen time, so come on now. You are addicted. Stop all this, bro. Because, like, bro, I spent 3 years and I kept on throughout the 3 years where I was trying to quit. I had these pockets of time where I was like, oh yeah, scrolling is actually not that big of a problem for me because I can just go on a 7-day dopamine detox and then I don't have this problem anymore. No, that's not how it actually worked. Because I didn't go on that. Like, I've went on 3 dopamine detoxes, 3 7-day dopamine detoxes in my life. None of them worked. The best one lasted 8 days, and then on the 9th day, I just like, oh yeah, oh, this YouTube video about like protein, yeah, or gym or business, yeah, I should watch that. And then you watch that, and then you see like a challenge video. I tried to grow my calves in 30 days, and then you watch that. And then you watch the Mr. Beast video, and then you watch another video, another video, another video. Eventually, you wasted a bunch of time. You accidentally scroll just before going to bed. Then you wake up, you grab your phone, you start scrolling, and like the cycle goes on and on and on and on and on, bro. So realize that this is a true problem for you. Fix it now, like literally now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait till the start of next year, next month, next week. Start today, because if you say tomorrow or sometime in the future, for example, let's say, oh yeah, I'm going to record this, let's say this morning I woke up, oh yeah, I'm going to record this video tomorrow. Then tomorrow comes, oh yeah, okay, fuck, that's a bad example because I like recording videos. Let's say I'm going to start investing my money tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I have time today, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Then tomorrow comes, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Then tomorrow comes, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So stop all this, bro. Just see if you qualify for the coaching, bro. It takes 2 minutes. You can just qualify, and then you're like, oh yeah, maybe I didn't actually want this. Maybe I didn't actually want my life back. Let me, yeah, I don't want it. You can just qualify and then not do that. It's free. Not the coaching is not free, but the qualifying is free. So just do that. It literally takes 2 fucking minutes. I've already taken minutes of your time, so just do it, bro. Just do it. So click on the first link in the description. I have like a VSL, a big red button. Click on that, fill out the form, see if you qualify. If you do, I'll reach out to you on WhatsApp. So go do that, take some action. Have a good rest of the day. See you, brother. Fuck, the camera's so far away.